In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can post to many accounts at once on Instagram. You can simply create a post and upload it to more than one account on Instagram. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. Let's say this is the post you would like to share to more than one Instagram account at once. Just tap on Next. Scroll down to the very end. You will find your other Instagram account in this section right here. Enable to post to these accounts. Then get back up to add your preferred caption, tags and other details to the post. Tap on Share and your post will get shared to all selected accounts successfully. That's how easy it is to upload posts to other accounts at the same time. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.